here at the information section where you can see their map and you can also get their brochure, so you have something that you can read while you are here at the Grand Canyon Park. Also, they have few display like this. I don't know exactly what is this, but it's the fossils of some animals. And then of course, I'm gonna show you later on the breathtaking view of Grand Canyon. So if you're ready, let's go. Today is very cold. That's why everybody is wearing their jacket. And you know guys, my hands are freezing and numb. But it doesn't really mean that I cannot enjoy the view. Of course, I enjoy, seeing scene like this in front of me. It's too unbelievable. And there's a lot of tourists taking picture and enjoying the day. So now is 5:30 in the morning. We woke up early to get ready for our next destination. Hello, Tita. What are you doing there? Oh, you're preparing your coffee. Since I don't drink coffee, so I choose to have my pancake instead. Yeah, let's go. Here is the pancake machine where it can make a lot of pancakes for you. Yeah, this is the magic pancake machine. Yes, wow, I'm so excited. Look at those pancakes. So it's slow down, and this is the machine, and then there you go. That is my pancake. Yay! OMG. Yay! So here is my pancake with bacons, egg, and a lot more later on. So after our breakfast, we are heading to Hoover Dam. Yes, this is part also of Arizona. This is one of the tourist spot here. So let's go. So now we are resting here in our hotel because later on we're gonna head back home. And hope you guys enjoy watching my video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell button, and the thumbs up button. Thank you so much.